Hi everyone. Today we're going to learn about searching in Python. Searching is all about finding specific items in a list or collection. For example, imagine you're looking for your favorite book in a library. You might check each book one by one, or you might use a smarter way to find it faster. In this lesson, we'll explore different searching methods like linear search, random search, and binary search. Let's get started. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to compare different searching algorithms and understand how they work, use a linear search to find a number in a list, understand how a binary search works and why it's efficient. These skills will help you write programs that can find data quickly and efficiently. Let's dive in. There are several ways to search for an item in a list. The simplest method is linear search, where you check each item one by one. Another method is random search, where you pick items randomly until you find the target. The most efficient method for sorted lists is binary search, which divides the list in half each time. Let's look at each method in detail. Let's start with linear search. Here's how it works in pseudocode. Read the first item in the list. While not at the end of the list, read the next item. If item matches the target, display the item. So in this method, you check each item in order until you find the target. It's simple, but can be slow for large lists. Let's take a look at another method. The random search. So here's the pseudocode for this. N equals random number between 1 and list length. Read the nth item. While item is not found, n equals random number between 1 and list length. Read the nth item and print found item. So in this method, you pick items randomly until you find the target. It's faster than linear search in some cases, but still not the most efficient. Let's take a look at a better way. So which of these methods is the most efficient? Linear search checks every item, which can be slow. Random search is faster, but still unpredictable. The best method for sorted lists is binary search, which we'll learn next. It's much faster because it divides the list in half each time. Let's see how it works. Binary search is a smart way to search a sorted list. Imagine you're guessing a number between 1 and 100. Instead of guessing every number, you start by guessing 50. If it's too low, you guess 75, and so on. Each guess divides the range in half, making it much faster. Let's see how this works in code. So here's how the binary search works. Start with a sorted list. Then find the midpoint of the range. Example, 50 if the number range is between 1 and 100. If the guess is too low, search the upper half. And we repeat this until the target is found. The maximum number of guesses needed is 2 to the power of n plus 1. For example, for 100 items, you'll need at most 7 guesses. This makes binary search very efficient. Let's plan a binary search using pseudocode. The pseudocode on your screen outlines the steps for binary search. It starts by setting a range, then repeatedly divides it in half until the target is found. This is a great way to search large lists quickly. Binary searches are used everywhere, even in areas that we may not be aware of. Supermarkets, hospitals, insurance providers, the DVLA, they all use binary searches to narrow down their searches or to find a particular item or record that they are looking for. That's it for our lesson on searches. I hope you found it very helpful and useful. You may want to go back and have a go at creating some of the pseudocode that we looked at and some of the earlier lessons and practice some of the code around what has been discussed. If you found this series of lessons helpful, please make sure you like, share, and subscribe for more content. Bye for now.